Please don't tell me that you are the type of person that waits until New Year's Eve to set those New Year's resolutions to change yourself, only to find out that within 1 or 2 months you're completely back to normal. I know, it's a good moment to reflect on your previous year and focus on the next one, but in order to change, you need more than just a calendar shift. It requires a strong will to change and a good strategy to make it work. And I can only help you with that second thing, a good strategy. If you're not deeply willing to improve yourself in the upcoming year, then you can just leave and enjoy a Netflix movie or play some games. Today, I'm here to share how I transformed my life, and not through overnight success, but with a systematic approach that day by day slowly moved me to a better place than I was the year before. And what I'm about to share doesn't only apply during New Year's Eve. You can be watching this video in August. It doesn't really matter. If you have a strong feeling that there is something that you want to change, then probably one of the things that I'm about to say in this video could help you with that. And yes, goals are the milestones, but your habits are the journey that leads towards those achievements. And whether you achieve those goals or not is purely based on what you will be doing every single day for the upcoming months from now on. So understanding the power of habits is key to change your life. Last year I went through a lot of ups and downs, but eventually I made huge improvements in both my personal and business life. So let me share what worked for me. And let's start with the first one. Focus on one big thing at a time. When you want to change, especially when setting your New Year's resolutions, it's tempting to create new goals in every aspect of your life. Health, finances, family, career, etc., etc. But what you're actually doing is creating a completely new and probably unrealistic version of yourself. Setting goals is the fun part, but you will find out that consistently executing those goals will be a little harder. You are creating a big gap between where you are right now and where you want to go. And the bigger the gap, the higher the possibility of bouncing back after trying. Fun fact. Research suggests that only 9% of the people that make those New Year's resolutions complete them. Only 9%. In fact, research goes on to show that 23% of the people quit in their first week after setting those New Year's resolutions. And 43% quit by the end of the first month of January. And we don't want that, right? We want to achieve those goals. We want to finally execute it and change this year. So it's more realistic to pick one big goal in one area of your life and focus on that. Then all of your focus and energy goes to that one specific task. This way you will not only reach that specific goal quicker, but it's also more enjoyable and realistic. So for example, a goal can be to gain muscle or lose weight. And then only once going to the gym multiple times a week and eating healthy becomes a habit and part of your identity and personality, then you can add new things to that list. The second advice I've got is accept that changing is hard. Changing isn't something that happens overnight. Writing down your goals is easy, but it takes a lot of time, discipline, and consistency to stick to those goals and make it a reality. It can take months or even years to reach them, and it doesn't go in a straight line. The process of growth is with ups and downs. I can tell from my own experience that even though it's good to have some measurable goals, the actual goal is that you learn and grow into a better person every single day. And once you look at it from that perspective, there's not much that can go wrong as long as you keep moving. Even if some things go wrong, the lesson that you are learning from the mistake are making you better right away, right? So please accept that things will take time and it's not gonna be easy. Having goals is good, but you have to build momentum and find a flow in the moment itself to enjoy the process a little bit. And when speaking about building momentum, one of the most important things when working towards specific goals and building new habits is building systems that work for you. And when speaking about building systems, I'm talking about designing a set of routines and structures that support your goals and make the process more manageable and more realistic to achieve. Because a goal will lead nowhere without a concrete plan. And you need to build a system based on your own goals. So for you, a system that you are building might be different from the system that I'm building, based on the different goals that we could have. But there are a few things that you can keep in mind when setting up a good system for yourself, such as identifying your peak productivity hours, or breaking down your big goals into smaller tasks, creating consistent routines, or using technology wisely, or finding accountability partners that could help you along the way. There are a lot of things that you could do to make it a little bit more manageable, to build a system for yourself, because everything is about the routine that you're building for yourself. And like I said in the beginning of this video, you will reach your goals or not is purely based on what you will be doing for the upcoming day. So building a good system is very important. Let's quickly zoom into a few of them. Identifying your peak productivity hours. You need to start by understanding how your body clock works, and you do that by identifying the times of the day that you feel most energized and most focused. Schedule your most important and challenging tasks during these peak hours to maximize your productivity, or breaking down big goals into smaller tasks instead of overwhelming yourself with that one big goal that might be far away from where you currently are. Break that one big goal down into smaller, more achievable tasks. This not only makes the goal less intimidating, but also gives more sense of accomplishment as you complete each task. Create a consistent routine. Consistency is key to building habit. Design a daily routine that aligns with your goals, whether it's a morning routine, an exercising routine, or dedicating working hours. Having a consistent schedule helps in forming habits more effectively, and use the technology wisely. Make sure to leverage technology to your advantage. We live in a time where everything is possible. There are various apps and tools designed to aid productivity and habit building that make it easier for you. Whether it's a habit tracking app, a time management tool, or a goal setting platform, find something that works for you and that suits your goals. And then maybe one of the most important things is find an accountability partner. An accountability partner is someone who shares your goals or is committed to helping you to achieve them. The beauty of having an accountability partner lies in the mutual support and the encouragement that you can provide for each other. You can remind each other of the daily to-dos, have good conversation, or help each other during the tough times to keep going. There are a lot of things that you can do to make it more likely to achieve your goals for the upcoming year. And I hope that some of the things that I just shared with you today might help you to get there. And now it's up to you. Go for it. You can do it. Good luck.